Welcome back everyone. Today we will learn how to start MS Access 2010, creating a database and some important components of Access database window. I hope in the previous video of this chapter, whatever I told you, you understood each and every topic. So let's learn further about MS Access 2010. So the first topic is starting MS Access 2010. As you all know, all the application software, whatever the things we have loaded in our laptop or in our desktop, those all application software, those all software are enlisted here. Okay, these all are software, or we can say program, which are installed in our desktop, and these are the shortcuts of those software so that we can directly find it out and use it. So we want to work in MS Access 2010. So we will go here at the start button. We will find out here all program. These all enlisted program is known as all program. After finding all program, we will find MS Office program here. Okay, as you can see here, I have already find it out, MS Office, and when you will find out, you will click over it. You can see here all the MS Office program are enlisted here, right? When you will find out your desired document, that is MS Access. So here MS Access is located, this MS Office Access 2007. When you will click over it, it will directly take you to the new blank file. This is the new blank file, MS Access 2007. And one more thing you can see here, this is something, the interference of this program is something different from your book. When you will see, things are given different because this is 2007 and in your book the latest version, about the latest version of this software is given. So there is not much difference between both the software, both are same, only the things is different. Like here the logos, these logos are given in a bigger size, whereas in the latest version you will find out these logos are smaller in size, and the rest of things are different, same. Now this startup window can be used to create new database using a following options. Now you have two options, whether you used the blank document. Okay, this is the blank document, you used that blank document for creating your file, or you can add or you can use the ready-made templates. Okay, these are the ready-made templates. That means we don't have to do anything, we have to just pick it and do the things and make the file which we want. ओके हमको कुछ इसमें करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. दीज आर द प्री डिज़ाइंड मीन्स जो पहले से ही डिज़ाइंड है, जस्ट वी हैव टू यूज़ इट फॉर आवर पर्पस. सो वी हैव टू टाइप्स ऑफ database here. We can say one is blank database, another is pre-designed templates. Okay, pre-designed templates means those templates which are already designed for your purpose. Now next we will learn how to create a database. Okay, so very first we will use we will start with a blank document. So you can see here there is a already blank document is located. We will just click over it, and this is asking for the name. Okay, so I'll put the name practice file because we are using it for a practice purpose only. So this is a practice file. So this is the normal thing whenever we used to create any file, the writing down the name of the file is a compulsory. Okay, because when you will not keep the name, you will not find out what thing you are making. So this is our file. This is our blank file. You can see this is our totally blank. We have done nothing over it. So what we will do, we will create a table. So next is, I hope you understood how to start an MS Office. And next is creating a database. Now this is creating a database, what we are going to do right now. So moving further, we will go to the create. When you will click over the create tab, you will find out these are the tables: first, second, third, fourth. The first four things is locked or is covered under the table. You can see here table tab, form, report and other. Okay, so basically in the last video what we have studied, MS Excel is having four important components, that is tables, forms, reports and query, right? So first we will do with the table. Table is the basic thing. When we will create the table, then only we will able to create forms, reports and query. So let's create table very first. This is the table, and you can see here this is the table 1, ID, add new field. Okay, so let me tell you the components name as well. This is a quick access toolbar. This drop down button is a customized quick access toolbar. Customize means you can custom, आप अपने हिसाब से आपको जो भी चीज़ इसमें ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट लगती है, you can customize it at the main first part, and the rest of things which is not necessary, much necessary, you can drop it here at the bottom. So this is the quick access toolbar, and here you will find out when you will go to the home, this is the table tool. Okay, table tools, and next is, and this area is called this one, this area which I'm dragging, this area is called navigation pan, and this is called custom group. This area where we are keeping the name of things which we are making in the table or query, this area is called object tab. Okay, further we will study about this. First let's start with the table, how to create a table. So we have already created a table here. Now we want to fill some data over here. It's asking from sort small to largest. Yes, we will write from small to largest. Next field will be next will be here. This is the new. Instead of new, I want to write here roll new field. Here I want to write student name. Again I want to write about some data or about the student. I'll add some new. Here I'll write father name. Okay, so this way we can create as much as rows for maintaining data as much as column as well. Okay, here in MS Access we don't used to say row and column. रो एंड कॉलम हम सिर्फ एक्सेल में बोलते हैं, हम यहाँ पे बोलते हैं फील्ड एंड रिकॉर्ड. ओके, जहाँ पे हम रो में हम लोग कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन को, कोई भी डेटा को सेव करते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड रिकॉर्ड. और हम कोई भी डेटा को अगर हम हॉरिजॉन्टली सेव करते हैं, ओके, अगर हम कॉलम वाइज उस डेटा को सेव करते हैं और उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, टेबल, राइट. सॉरी, इट विल कॉल्ड फील्ड. अगर हम कॉलम वाइज कोई भी डेटा को फीड करते हैं, कोई भी डेटा को सेव करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड फील्ड. सो आई वांट टू राइट हियर रोल नंबर 1, स्टूडेंट नेम राम, father name Mr. Sriram. Okay, so this way we can add any data. Okay, now suppose I want to convert this data into form. How we will convert? So हमें अगर इस डेटा को फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है या रिपोर्ट में कन्वर्ट करना है या हमें उसे क्वेरी में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो सबसे पहले हमें इसको सेव करना होगा. Until unless we will not save the basic file, this is the basic file. जब हम इसको क्रिएट करेंगे तब जाके हमारे फॉर्म्स बनेंगे, तब जाके हमारे रिपोर्ट्स और फिर क्वेरी बनती है. अगर हम बेसिक चीज़ को ही सेव नहीं रखेंगे तो हमारे ना तो फॉर्म क्रिएट हो पाएगा, ना तो रिपोर्ट, ना तो क्वेरी. So for saving it, what we will do, we will automatically, or we will press Control S. Now it is asking that you want to put down this data table name table 1. No, I want to write grade 8th. Okay, done. Now you can see here when I have changed the name of this file or this data grade 8, this automatically changed here. Now I want to convert this data into a form. Now I have clicked here, I want to convert this data into a form. Now you can select here the format of the form, what kind of form you want. So I want a basic form, I don't want any split ends or multiple or some other one. I want a basic one. So I will click here. Now you can see here whatever I have created here in the table, here in the grade 8, this is a grade 8 table. Okay, now I have already created that table into a form. This is a form, right? ID 1, roll number, student name and father's name. Now I want to convert this data into a report. So again we will go to our basic and we will click here report. Now this is our report. Roll number 1. Okay, roll number 1. Roll number 1 is Ram and his father name is Shri Ram, Mr. Shri Ram. So this is, now let's see convert this data into query as well. Again move to the basic. Basic means the first table which is the basic which we have created the first time. जो हमने सबसे पहले जो टेबल हमने क्रिएट करी थी, उस टेबल को जो हमने कन्वर्ट किया है वो है, पहले हमने उसे किस में किया, फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया, देन हमने उसे रिपोर्ट में कन्वर्ट किया. अब हम उस डेटा को क्वेरी में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. लेट्स सी अगर हम उसको क्वेरी में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो कैसा दिखेगा. तो अगेन टू द बेसिक. नाउ यू कैन सिलेक्ट हियर द बेसिक क्वेरी फॉर्मेट. ओके, Okay, you can select the query of the want continue. Okay, field 1. Next. Okay, finish. Now you can see here, this is our query. Okay, this way our query report will be generated. जो भी हम चीज़ इसमें क्रिएट करते हैं, दीज ऑल थिंग्स आर बेसिकली मेड फॉर द ऑफिस पर्पसेस. ये हम लोग अपने स्कूल लाइफ में इसीलिए सीखते हैं ताकि हमें इसकी बेसिक नॉलेज आ जाए, कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, इनका क्या बेनिफिट है हमारी लाइफ में. इसका ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप ऑफिस के लिए ही पर्पज़ के लिए यूज़ करें, आप इसको अपने घर पे भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको कोई टेबल मेंटेन करना है, ओके, कोई बिल्स मेंटेन करनी है वीकली, मंथली, ईयरली, उस बिल्स को आप फॉर्म में कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, उस बिल्स को आप रिपोर्ट में कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, उस सेम बिल्स को आप क्वेरी के फॉर्म में अगर कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो हाउ इट विल लुक. नॉट ओनली दिस, दीज ऑल डेटा कैन बी कन्वर्ट इनटू अ प्रिंटेड फॉर्म एज वेल. ओके, so that's all for today.